Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a simple coconut chicken recipe, so if you're looking for a quick and easy lunch idea, stick around to the end to see how I prepare this yummy recipe. This incredibly delicious coconut chicken is satisfying and it can be made in under 30 minutes. The ingredients are in the description below, so be sure to check it out. In a pan on medium to high heat, I add some oil and add my diced chicken. I'm using chicken breast today, though I prefer thighs. Feel free to use whichever one you prefer. I add half a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, then stir this until there are no traces of pink left in the chicken. I remove it and set it aside in a clean plate. In the same pan, I add more oil as needed and add the chopped onions. Once the onions are translucent, I add crushed garlic and crushed ginger, and once it's fragrant, I go in with the tomatoes and keep stirring until the tomatoes break down. I now add garam masala and paprika. I stir to combine, and the aroma at this point is so good. I now add a can of coconut cream and bring it to a boil on medium to high heat. At this point, I return the cooked chicken into the pan and add vegeta. I mix to combine and allow it to simmer on medium to low for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring halfway through this time. Our chicken is now ready and it tasted just right, so I didn't add any more salt. However, feel free to adjust salt as needed. This recipe is that quick and easy to prepare. It's tender and the creaminess of the coconut cream paired with the spices and seasonings tie everything together perfectly. This can be served with rice, bread rolls, naan or chapati. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as we do. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.